Welcome back to the Autovex. The scene opens with a dramatic sunrise over an empty racetrack. The air still and silent until suddenly, a sharp electric whine blends with a deep mechanical growl, and out of the shadows emerges the breathtaking 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, a revolutionary supercar that marks a new chapter for Lamborghini, replacing the iconic Huracán and redefining what a modern performance machine should be. And from the very first moment, the Temerario commands attention with its aggressive stance, razor-sharp lines, and futuristic design language that pushes Lamborghini's signature styling into a bold new era, making it clear that this is not just an evolution but a complete transformation. As the camera sweeps across the front fascia, the Temerario reveals its unmistakable Lamborghini DNA, featuring ultra-slim Y-shaped LED headlights that cut through the air like blades, a sculpted hood with deep aerodynamic channels, and massive air intakes that not only enhance cooling but also create a visually striking and functional design, while the low-slung profile and wide stance give it a planted and aggressive look, emphasizing its performance capabilities. And as the camera moves along the side, the flowing lines and sharp creases create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still, while the large alloy wheels and low-profile tires hint at the incredible grip and stability that this supercar offers. Step inside, and the Temerario transforms into a cockpit inspired by fighter jets, where every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience, featuring a driver-focused layout with multiple digital displays that provide real-time performance data, navigation, and system controls, while the use of premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and metal accents creates an environment that feels both luxurious and performance, and the seats are designed to provide maximum support during high-speed driving, ensuring that the driver remains firmly in control, while advanced connectivity features and customizable settings allow for a personalized driving experience that adapts to the driver's preferences. Under the hood door, more accurately, behind the driver, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is powered by a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that combines a higher-revving twin-turbocharged V8 engine with multiple electric motors, delivering a combined output that exceeds 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful vehicles in Lamborghini's lineup. And as the driver presses the accelerator, the instant torque from the electric motors combines with the explosive power of the V8, launching the car forward with incredible, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. While the advanced hybrid system not only enhances performance but also improves efficiency, marking a significant step forward in Lamborghini's transition toward electrification. Performance is where the Temerario truly shines, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and precise, thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, active aerodynamics, and sophisticated suspension setup that ensures maximum grip and stability, even at extreme speeds. And as the cinematic sequence shows the car tearing around the racetrack, hugging corners with precision and accelerating down straightaways with unmatched, it becomes clear that this is a machine built for performance enthusiasts who demand the very best, while features such as multiple driving modes allow the driver to adjust the car's behavior to suit different conditions. From comfortable road driving to aggressive track performance, technology plays a crucial role in defining the Temerario, with advanced driver assistance systems and intelligent software that enhance both safety and performance, while the integration of over-the-air updates ensures that the car continues to evolve over time, receiving improvements and new features without the need for physical upgrades. And the inclusion of advanced telemetry systems allows drivers to analyze their performance on the track, providing valuable insights that can help improve driving skills and maximize the car's potential. One of the most unique selling points of the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is its hybrid power, which combines the best of both worlds: traditional internal combustion, performance, and modern electric efficiency, creating a supercar that is not only incredibly fast but also more sustainable. And this approach reflects Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and its vision for the future of high-performance vehicles, while the bold design and cutting-edge technology make the Temerario a standout in the supercar segment, setting new standards for what is possible. As the cinematic sequence reaches its peak, the Temerario is shown blasting down a racetrack, its engine screaming while the electric motors deliver instant acceleration, creating a symphony of sound and speed that is both thrilling and unforgettable. And as it transitions from track to open road, the car demonstrates its versatility, offering a surprisingly comfortable ride despite its extreme performance capabilities, proving that it is not just a track-focused machine but a true road-going super. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is a groundbreaking vehicle that represents the future of Lamborghini, combining stunning design, advanced hybrid technology, and performance into a single, breathtaking package. And as the final shot shows the car disappearing into the horizon with its signature LED lights glowing in the distance, it leaves a lasting impression as a symbol of innovation, power, and passion, proving that even in a world moving toward electrification, Lamborghini continues to deliver the excitement and emotion that define the supercar experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.